G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of On Point Adventures. As you can see behind me there, we've got the drone heading out. We're here today with Jamie from Non-Stop Drops. Now, if you want to check him out, straight across to Instagram, Non-Stop Drops. Jamie catches more fish on drone than anyone I know. Definitely worth a follow. Unbelievable. But it's a little bit later in the morning because I forgot to record the intro this morning, but better late than never. As you can see on the table there, there's a bit of blood. So that might give you a clear indication on how epic this episode is about to get. So we're still flying drones this morning. I've got the SWELLPRO, Jamie's on the Airoo, but most importantly, it's an absolutely magnificent morning out, and one that I think is going to be pretty epic above what we've already done. Anyway, enough talking. Let's get into this episode. You want to hang around for this one.
To myself a promise, I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Righto, so quick run through of the gear. We're on the old Pisces electric reel, straight up to, you know it, the Vexed drone 12'6" not the extra heavy, just the heavy. And of course we've shot these baits out roughly about 500 meters today, just on the inside of that break that you can see out the back there. So yeah, hopefully we can turn some fish today. It's a bit later on in the morning. We haven't had a great deal of luck up until now, but we're still hoping. So check this out for a concoction. Blue swimmer crab, freshly bought from the old spud shed, wrapped in octopus, and then up to the B2 Lumo squid. And the way Jamie's doing this here is single crimp onto these quick release clips here, just like shown in the last video. I copied him admittedly, onto the tri-crane swivel. And this bait here is about to get sent out, but I mean, have a look at how good that looks. What fish is saying no to that? Finally a hookup. It's only taken all morning. That looks big though, eh? What are you calling it for? A dirty ray? Dewey. He's called it. He's called it the D word. All morning I've been waiting for this hookup. All morning. Brendan's gonna have to go cliff jumping to get it.
You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working.
Dewey! We got a Dewey!
Caught it.
Dewey! Here we go! Come on! It's a nice one too.
Good Dewey too.
What a beauty.
That's a good too.
Do you want me down there to leader it, or what do you want me to do?
I'll give you my rod.
Yep.
Fuck yeah, boys.
Woohoo! Dewey at a new spot. You got him, mate. Woohoo!
Caught it too.
Alright. What do you want? You run back up the rocks?
Oh, good. Right. Go back to drag off.
Yep. Go up and over, eh?
Oh, good. I don't think so.
Come on, come up.
Loose drag.
Loose drag. Done.
Going in.
He's going in. Down he goes. Water coming.
Line.
Alright, I'm free spool again. Oh, landed in the pool. He landed in the pool. This is how you Dewey fish in Western Australia with the drone. Poor Jamie down there chasing his crocs. You can't write this script. You just can't write it.
Oh, I think it wet. Yes.
Non-stop drops, exactly how it gets done. He knows. Go check out the channel. I'm going to help him up and then we'll get this recording again. Look at that. An absolute day saver.
Gonna get better than that.
We'd almost written this spot off too.
I was ready to call it, eh?
How good. Well, there you go. Jamie from Non-Stop Drops absolutely onto it again. Just showing us why he's well ahead of the game of most people in Perth. Get over, check out Non-Stop Drops on Instagram. Give him a follow because he gets fish like this. Look at that. What a ripper.
Yeah, boy.
Just a bit more to show you how epic this little all powers has been for us. We've run a few batteries down a little bit today. So we've just plugged in the all powers straight up onto the Airoo charger and charging the couple of Airoo batteries there for Jamie, and that's going to keep him airborne. The advantage of using something like this is it's so small. I mean, like have a look, it's a tiny, tiny little unit, super light, takes up absolutely no space in the car, but above all else, we can charge everything from our USB-C, USB-A's, 240 and cigarette. Unbelievable bit of equipment, guys. Really worth having on your trip because it means you can just keep fishing for as long as you want. Well, there we go. That wraps up a absolutely awesome morning out with Jamie. I mean, only the one fish on the beach. Jamie has stayed behind. He's going to keep fishing. But a Dewey. I mean, that just makes the whole morning worthwhile. Probably should make mention of the full moon and all the unfavourable conditions like the high swell and so forth, but not going to use that as an excuse because, as I said, there was a Dewey on the beach. But anyway, I've got about 20 minutes of bush tracks ahead of me, so I'm going to get off the camera and drive out of here. Okay, until the next episode, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one and we'll see you later.